How to make your text look better in Davinci Resolve. So if you go onto the Fusion page, so you press on this page here, it should load like this. Then you add in these three things. So we are going to be making 3D text. So text 3D, merge 3D, and render 3D. Then you connect them together and make sure you have your second screen open as well. So this one, this one. Then if you press this button here, you'll see it. If you put it in, so I'm just going to put text like this. You can like move it up and down, that kind of thing. And you can increase or decrease the size, up to you. Okay, so now that you've all connected them, what you're going to do is you're going to get a merge one. So it's this one here. Drag it along, connect it, and then connect the renderer one like this, and then it will show up here. So now that you've connected it all, now we need to make this 2D to 3D. So you press shift and spacebar like that. Took me a second, and then I've already searched it up. But if you search up directional light and then press add, what you're going to do is you're going to get a merge, a second one, and you are going to put it in between that, and then you're going to add directional light. Now that you've done that, if you press back on text and then go to where it says this, I'm not going to try and spell that because then I'm not going to be able to. If you increase the depth, let's say like this, you can also see on there that it shows it. You've got the option for this, that, all of that kind of stuff. And then yeah, you can also like if I increase the size more, you can kind of see it a bit more. But you've got 3D text there. You've got like shadings. You can change its color and stuff if you want to. You can add an image to it if you want as well, which I have a video on how to do if you want to. I'll link, if you want to see that, I'll link it in the description. And yeah, watch this video next if you want to. Subscribe.